Welcome everyone to our in-depth review of the QiaoYoubang 2U Foldable Wall Mount Patch Panel Bracket. Today, we'll explore this versatile vertical wall mount rack that is specially designed to hold 19-inch networking and data equipment and provide you with a comprehensive look at its features and performance. Starting with the basics, the 2U Foldable Wall Mount Patch Panel Bracket measures 19.29 inches in width, 4.09 inches in depth, and 3.46 inches in height. It has been engineered to support standard 19-inch equipment, making it a perfect fit for your networking hardware. This compact unit is ideal for closets, small server rooms, or offices where space is at a premium, but power and efficiency are still critical. One of the standout features of this product is its robust wall mounting design. The bracket boasts a 2-point mounting system with 2 different hole distances, one set at 16 inches center to center, which fits the standard construction framework, and a further set at 18.3 inches intended for heavy loading scenarios. This flexibility ensures that the bracket can safely secure even heavier or more sensitive network hardware with a maximum loading capacity of 35 pounds. Constructed from cold-rolled steel and featuring a durable powder coating, the product promises longevity and resistance to corrosion. The high-quality material means you can expect this mount to maintain its integrity over time, even in challenging environments. Another key benefit is that the unit comes fully assembled, eliminating the hassle of setup, an advantage for users who want a plug-and-play experience. Real-life user experiences highlight not only its robust construction, but also its versatile installation options. Whether you choose to mount it vertically on a wall or horizontally under a desk, the bracket adapts effortlessly to your space requirements. Its multi-mounting capability ensures that both home-based networking setups and professional data centers can benefit from its usage. However, as with any product, there are a few considerations. Some users have noted that while the maximum load is impressive, ensuring the wall's structural integrity is crucial to safely support the heavy equipment. Moreover, the design might appear too industrial for some home settings. That said, when compared to other similar products, the QiaoYoubang bracket offers superior flexibility, ease of installation, and a trusted material quality that positions it ahead of many competitors. For users aiming to maximize this product, we recommend double-checking the mounting surface before installation and using the provided hardware, which includes 8 sets of M6 screws and cage nuts, along with additional screws for wood surfaces. This guarantees a secure fit following the manufacturer's guidelines. In conclusion, the QiaoYoubang 2U Foldable Wall Mount Patch Panel Bracket is an excellent choice for anyone looking to optimize their networking hardware setup. Its robust construction, versatile mounting options, and ease of installation make it a solid investment for professional and home users alike. Thanks for watching, and happy networking.